the easier way to get files and citations into EndNote is to have it actually do it automatically. So the way that you do that is from your home page, you click Article Indexes and Databases. And the most common one in education, although it's not the only one, is ERIC and EBSCO. And I also want to note that for some reason Google Chrome gives problems to this whole function, so I'm using Firefox right now. So I'm going to go to ERIC, EBSCO, click on ERIC, EBSCO, and it's going to let me put a title in here. So I'm going to put an article that I've used the application of performance technology in the military. I'm not going to put the full title. I'm just going to search this way and let's see if it finds it. And it does not. I'll try to add the full title to it. 1960 to 1980. And there it is. I found the article that I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on it. You do see there's a function here to add to folder. You could go directly there, but I'm going to actually click on it. For a lot of articles, there'll be a full record here, but this one doesn't have it, but that's okay. All I want is a citation. I found the article manually in the library, actually. So for this one, I'm just going to click on the right. I'm going to click Add to Folder, and it looks like it's done. So now I'm going to go into my folder. So I click on Folder, and I can see it's here, the application of performance technology in the military, 1960 and 1980. For some reason, you have to select the file again, so I'm going to click on it to select that file. And I'm going to click on Export. And here it asks you where you want to move it to. Well, I wanted to go to Direct Export to EndNote on the web. And the other thing, depends how paranoid you are, I know that this is going to work, so I'm going to click on the box that says Remove these items from folder after saving. Because I've done that, I won't have a bunch of articles that stay in my folder here with my university folder. So I'm going to click Save. And I don't like to see this, but I'm going to hope that it works. And my computer's thinking, and it did work through. So now it's going to ask you to log on to EndNote. And let's hope I typed that correctly. It will pull me to my EndNote site, and once I get there, if things worked well, I should be able to look under all references and I should see my new result. So it says import result 1. I'm going to click on my references. And it's loading my references, and the author to that was Olson and Bass, so I'm going to look for it. Here it is. Again, this is under all references, just like before when I created one, but this one, it brings it in automatically for you. So I'm going to click on that because that is also in my group, History of Technology, so I'm going to click on History of Technology. And if I go into History of Technology now, I should have a new citation in there by Olson, and here it is. The application of performance technology in the military. So my citation has now been pulled into the site. The nice thing here is that it actually pulls in an abstract and some other information with it as well. It actually pulled in the URL where it came from. So if you do this automatically as opposed to creating it, it works a lot nicer. The trick is EBSCO doesn't have all the things that you're going to need. So there are different databases that you may want to try once you're in here. There's one that's called, if I can get back to the library. Another good one for education, I'm going to click on the C's, and it's the second one here, Cambridge Scientific Abstracts is for some reason another one that works well. But you can see there's a long list of articles. I mean, each of these letters has all kinds of databases that are a little different. ERIC and EBSCO generally works the best, but there's lots of other ones that you can go to find those resources and pull those into your folder.